after Harden was traded to the Philadelphia 76ers, he started utilizing the nickname Uno, which is either used alone or in conjunction with the backronym under No. 1. The beard is stuck with number 1 in this most recent chapter of his career since Wilt Chamberlain's legendary Sixers career took away his typical number 13. Unlike his previous game-worn attire, the NBA MVP uses the slogan in a more subtle way. It is displayed over the insole with letters resembling a personalized chain he wore for his most recent Slam cover. This do-up, which pins a teal blue sole beneath a more conservative chrome and black combination, looks almost like a cross between the original Cyber Metallic and the Ice Metallic. On November 11, 2025, the Adidas Harden Volume 9 Uno is anticipated to be released. Interestingly, it will retail for $180 instead of the usual $160.